In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Shopify free trial, Shopify tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click so you can explore Shopify without committing to a plan right away. Keep in mind that trial terms can vary by region and time, but the flow I'm about to show you is consistent. First, open the official Shopify website in your browser. If you're redirected to a country-specific page, that's perfectly fine. The process is the same. On the home page, look for the Start for Free button and click it. This takes you into Shopify's onboarding so you can begin creating your store. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in or continue with an email. If you see your email listed, select it to proceed. If not, choose the option to continue with your email or create a new Shopify account. Use an email you have access to, since Shopify will send important account messages there. You may see a screen encouraging you to pick a plan. For the free trial setup, click Skip to move forward without selecting a plan right now. Skipping here lets you explore the dashboard first and decide on a plan later, once you've had a chance to test things out. You'll now see a few short, onboarding questions. Click Next to move through them. These questions help Shopify tailor recommendations for your business, things like where you plan to sell, your experience level, and your goals. Don't stress over your answers. They're just for guidance, and you can change your preferences later. Continue clicking Next until you reach the store setup screen. When you're asked to name your store, type in a store name. For example, you could enter something like Highlight. Pick something that represents your brand. A quick tip: you can change your store name later, but the unique myshopify.com URL that's generated may be permanent, so aim for something you're comfortable keeping. Once your name is entered, click Finish. Shopify will create your trial store, which can take a few moments. When the confirmation page appears, click You're All Set to enter your Shopify admin dashboard. That's it. You've started your Shopify free trial. From here, you can explore the dashboard, test themes, add a sample product, and try apps. Before your trial ends, set a reminder to review pricing and choose a plan if you're ready to launch. To start accepting orders publicly, you'll eventually need to pick a plan and set up billing, but for now, enjoy the trial and get familiar with the tools. Thanks for watching,